Hello and welcome back to another prime numbers tutorial. In today's video we're going to guide you through the process of purchasing an XDC Staking NFT using our NFT marketplace, which is called PrimePort. So smash that like button for us, and without further ado, let's get into this tutorial. Okay, the first thing you want to do is go to our NFT marketplace, and to do that you need to visit primeport.xyz. Once you're on the website, then connect your wallet, and you can do that in the top right corner using the connect wallet button, and once it's connected it will show your balance. So next you want to click on collections. And here you'll find the NFT collections. So the one we're interested in is Prime Numbers XDC NFT. So click on that. And when you scroll down, you'll see all the NFTs in this collection. So all these ones with the buy now button, they're all up for sale and available for purchase. And then when you get to the ones that say make offer, these aren't listed for sale, but you can make the owner an offer. And if it's a good one, then they might accept it. But it's the buy now buttons that we're interested in. So you need to decide which NFT is the one you want to purchase. So on the left you can see the price, and on the right you can see how much is staked in the NFT. So this one is currently listed for 20,000 XDC, and inside the NFT it's got 5,006.64 XDC staked inside of it. So once you've decided on which NFT you want to buy, you want to fund your wallet so you've got enough XDC to buy it. So the gas fees on the XDC network are really cheap. So one XDC token will cover your gas fees for ages. So if you wanted to buy this NFT, then you'd need to make sure you've got 20,001 XDC in your wallet. So once you've funded your wallet and you've decided which NFT you want to buy, then click on the NFT to go inside of it. And if you scroll to the bottom, you'll see you've got some other sections. So the staking section has plenty of information telling you what level the NFT is at, how much XDC is needed to level it up to the next level, its added multiplier and its total multiplier. So there's plenty of other information down the bottom. Here you can see the price, so it's listed at 20,000 XDC. So if you want to buy it right now, you would simply click the buy button, check the checkbox saying I agree to the terms of service, and then click the confirm button and your MetaMask wallet will load. You can confirm the transaction and that will purchase the NFT. The other option you've got is you can make the owner an offer. So for this you need wrapped XDC. So if you click the profile button up here, you'll see you've got the wrap and unwrap function. So in here, let's say that you wanted to offer him 15,000 XDC. You'd put 15,000 in here, wrap it, and then that would give you wrapped XDC. And then when you come down here to the make an offer button, select your currency, which has to be WXDC, which is wrapped XDC. In here you'd put 15,000 WXDC, and then here you can specify how long you want that offer to stay open for. Tick the tick box and place the offer. Again, your MetaMask wallet will load and you can confirm the transaction. So once you've made an offer to someone, if they've got their profile set up correctly on PrimePort, then they'll get an email into their inbox that says you have been made an offer on this NFT, please log in and action, and they'll log in and either accept or reject. So that's one way. If you're not in a rush to buy an NFT, you can make some people some offers. However, if you are in a rush to buy one, and once you've purchased your NFT, then you want to go to the staking website. So you want to visit staking.primenumbers.xyz, connect your wallet, and then if you go to the XDC Staking V2 section, in here you'll find the My NFTs section, and the NFT that you've just purchased will be in there. You can then click on it. You've got lots of options for staking and all sorts of other features, and we've got plenty of other videos on our channel regarding that sort of stuff. Right, lastly, it's always good practice across the whole crypto space to make sure you always disconnect your wallet from whatever you use. Always make sure you disconnect your wallet. So disconnect your wallet and you're all done. Okay, that wraps up this tutorial, and you should now have all the knowledge you need to buy your first XDC Staking NFT. To further your education regarding our ecosystem, check out our other video tutorials on our channel and explore all our articles on Medium. Lastly, make sure you're following us on social media, all of which are on the screen right now.